We are learning casting, learning what it feels like for patients to have a cast on, how you would apply a cast, and also how to cut casts off.
I think it's important because you want to understand what your patients are going through, and getting a cast is a hard experience for a patient. So I think it just helps you be more compassionate and empathetic to their situation. I definitely think that it's very valuable, and not having this be not having to do this on a patient for your first time, rather doing it on a classmate in a much more controlled environment. It feels really good. These are always my favorite days. They're very fun.
At Duke, we prepare our students for the future.